Today we're gonna work on this Lenovo laptop. Model of this one is Lenovo z50-75. Now I have this laptop from a friend of mine, and the problem with the laptop is the power button is basically not doing nothing. You press but it's not pressing, so it's definitely damaged. Most likely we might have to change the power button, or repair the power button. We'll see. Now, to access the power button, I have to take most likely the board out, the back cover out definitely. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, we're nearly there. Need to remove this one. Perfect. Okay. So what we have to see is our power button. Where is the power button? Here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, the zoom is not working anymore. It's working now. Right. We have to remove and see what's there. So, I mean, the actual power button is okay. I have a problem on the board. Definitely a problem on the board. Alright, let's go under the microscope. Okay. Something is missing here. I think something is missing there. So this is our power button. think it's broken. Let me zoom in more. So yeah, this is definitely not good anymore. So what's the solution here? This is the reset button. The solution here is to, well, you can change the whole board, but we don't have one. Second option is to remove this power button and to fit a new one. Now I have a spare board. It's not the same model. Or might be the power, but it might be the same. Let's have a look together. So there's my spare board here. It's the same, isn't it? Yeah. So we have to take this power button off from here and solder it on this one, and to remove this one. This one, it used to look the same as this one, but obviously it doesn't. Or just remove the top and attach it here. Can we do that? Let me see. I'd be able to do that, just not to. This is glue it in there. What do you think? Try that first. It's coming off. I think that's the best option. If it's not gonna be okay, we can always remove the other one. Try my fingers. Not yet. Don't think this is gonna stay there anymore. It might. Okay. We have something else under here. So we remove this one. The top. And here we have another one. Try. Here we go. Oh, this one is a little bit burning here. Hopefully it's still working. What do you think? It will work. Let me bring the other one. Our board. So let's just check if it's the same. I mean, yeah, kind of the same. Put this one first. Just like that. Right, get in there. Perfect. And now the top needs to go here like that. Now the funny part, you will stay. You will glue back in or not? You get back in there. And this one, just exactly on top. And to press the finger a little bit. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna stay. It might not. Problem is not working. If I press on it, nothing happens. Press on it, nothing is happening, so something is not right. Let me take it back out. And this one. This is pressing, so this one is not doing nothing. It's pressing now. Try to glue it there. Back in place. Yeah, now it's working, but can't really fit it back. It can be a problem, that can be a problem. There's no glue anymore. second. Yeah. It's not okay. We have to go with the hard part, which is yeah, I can some glue. I don't know. Second option is to remove the power button and solder back a new one. What do you think? Can we do it? On the back of the board is nothing. So let's do it. Let's see. I'm keeping with something in place so it's not moving. Yeah, we try one solution, but didn't work very well. Now we have to do the second option, which is a little bit more complicated, but then we have some flux in there. I'll try 400 degrees. Let's go. Plastic is melting. Four moves, can't really see. Okay, we out. We are out. First I leave it cool down. Now to remove, and this is okay, this cable is still here, no problem. To remove that button from the other board, we have to came with the hot air from the bottom. If we can, something like that. Where is it here? Okay, let me bring the microscope. On this side. So here we go, there's our power button, come on. Where is it? We have some flux, or maybe not. No flux. We don't want flux to get into the button side because it's not gonna work anymore then. Should be out. So as you can see, I'm coming from the bottom, the hot air. So I'm hoping I'm not gonna melt the power button. Well, this board is quite thick. There we go. It's out. It's out and it's not damage whatsoever. I really like that. Like that for now. Put it back. Microscope. Okay, what we have to do now, we have to solder the power button here. Now I'm thinking, what's the best way to do it? Best way to do it is to add to mix the solder on the board with 180-degree solder wire like that. Hopefully we don't need to use too much heat. Solder the button back. Okay, so let me add some flux. I mean, I can remove these solder off the board, maybe. That will be even better. Is to wick up and solder after. Yeah. Yeah, better. Let's clean the board. Put the power button there, and solder after better. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, give it a little bit of clean. Still have a little bit of solder on the board, but that's not a problem. Let's try to clean this one here. Just like that. That's my signature over there. So he's coming back. I know I've been working here. You can never do the same. Right, so this is our power button. Fit it here like that. And I'll try to solder leg by leg. I'll take some solder on my some flux. Yeah, some flux would be a good idea. Yeah, maybe. Not much. You don't want flux to get into inside your button. You already have flux on top there. Clean it and hopefully it's going to be okay. Okay, let me keep the button there. And I'll try to solder here first. Not quite, isn't it? Solder one and then I can do it. Kind of. Go on this side. Yeah, perfect. You said it's not flat with the board. Should be flat with the board. should be. Maybe you're right. And it's not. Anyway, the power button is solder in place. Add a little bit of flux here. Like that. Good. 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 We're done. Let me clean. A little bit of alcohol. Now, of course, you can order this board. Just change the board. Much easier. If you order the board, you have to wait for the board to come, and it's gonna take a few days. So if you have a spare button like me, I have it now, I think it's much better to just change the button and give back to the customer. So yeah, it's working. Okay. What's next? Next is to put it back and test it, no? That's next. Here I go one left from the power button. This is the old power button. Let me see something. Just lost the power button. No, I didn't lost it. Is here. It was like that. We have this one. It was like that. No. Just let me see if it's working. It's not working because it's not sitting properly. So now I can press on it it's stating very well. Perfect. Okay, we fixed the power button. Our next step is to remove the motherboard and change the thermal paste as well. So let's disconnect all this flex cable, speaker needs to come out as well. Okay, I'll not keep you here. I'll put back together and I'll come back when I gonna test it. So we are back for testing. Everything is put back together. Not sure if it have battery or not. Pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on, working. Perfect. So that was it. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, thank you.